Welcome to Mastering NumPy Broadcasting. We'll explore how vectorized operations enhance data science and machine learning. Discover broadcasting fundamentals, rules, practical patterns, performance optimization, and common pitfalls. Broadcasting in NumPy allows operations on arrays of different shapes, enhancing efficiency. The three rules are: dimensions must be equal, or 1, trailing dimensions are compared, and arrays are compatible if all dimensions meet these criteria. This enables seamless data preprocessing and feature engineering, optimizing performance by reducing loop usage and execution time. Broadcasting transforms traditional loop-based operations into efficient vectorized computations. By automatically expanding dimensions, NumPy executes operations in compiled C code, achieving speeds 50-100 times faster than Python loops. This approach reduces code complexity by up to 90% and eliminates unnecessary memory copies, streamlining data science workflows. Broadcasting in NumPy allows operations on arrays of different shapes by expanding smaller arrays to match larger ones without copying data. This enables efficient element-wise operations, vectorizing computations in C rather than Python, enhancing performance and reducing code complexity. Understanding broadcasting is crucial for optimizing data science workflows. NumPy's broadcasting rules ensure seamless operations between arrays of different shapes. Rule 1 involves dimension padding, where ones are prepended to smaller arrays. Rule 2 checks size compatibility, allowing dimensions to match if one is size 1. Rule 3 stretches these dimensions to align with the larger array, facilitating efficient computations. Dimension padding is crucial when arrays differ in dimensions. Consider A with shape 3 and B with shape 3, 1. NumPy pads A 2, 1, 3, aligning dimensions for operations. This left side padding ensures arrays are compatible for further processing, facilitating seamless broadcasting and avoiding shape mismatches. Size compatibility is crucial for broadcasting. Arrays like 3, 1, and 3, 4 are compatible because the first dimension matches, and the second is 1. However, 3, 4, and 3, 5 are incompatible since neither dimension is 1. Ensuring compatibility prevents errors during operations. Once compatibility is confirmed, dimensions of size 1 are virtually stretched to match larger dimensions. For example, arrays A and B stretch to 3, 3 without duplicating data in memory. Broadcasting uses indexing and stride manipulation, ensuring operations are fast and memory efficient, as demonstrated by the result of a plus B. Consider arrays A with shape 4, 3, and B with shape 3. Initially, A has 2 dimensions and B has 1. By padding, B becomes 1, 3. Compatibility is confirmed. Dimensions 4 and 1, 3 and 3. B stretches to 4, 3, allowing A plus B to result in shape 4, 3. Broadcasting patterns simplify operations. Scalars add to arrays, e.g., ARR plus 10 results in 3. A row vector adds across matrix rows, e.g., 3,4 plus 4. A column vector adds across matrix columns, e.g., 3,4 plus 3,1. In three-dimensional, vectors broadcast across the last dimension, e.g., 2,3, 4, 4. Z-score normalization is crucial in machine learning preprocessing, ensuring features have zero mean and unit variance. Broadcasting simplifies this by applying mean and standard deviation calculations across all samples. This eliminates the need for nested loops over 50,000 elements, allowing NumPy to perform the operation efficiently in a single vectorized step. In image processing, broadcasting simplifies RGB channel manipulation. Consider an image as a 3D array. Adjust brightness per channel using scalars, and apply channel-specific offsets. This efficiently transforms images by applying operations to each pixel in a channel, showcasing broadcasting's power in handling complex transformations without loops. In machine learning, computing pairwise distances is crucial for clustering and nearest neighbors. Using broadcasting, we efficiently calculate distances between 100 points in 3D space. By reshaping arrays, we compute all pairwise differences and derive Euclidean distances in a single vectorized operation, avoiding slow nested loops. Broadcasting efficiently handles outer product operations, crucial for creating multiplication tables, grids, and meshes. By reshaping arrays, we compute every combination, as seen in the multiplication table example. This technique is also vital in generating two-dimensional Gaussian distributions, often used in kernel operations, convolution, and attention mechanisms, enhancing computational efficiency and clarity. Broadcasting in NumPy offers significant performance advantages over traditional Python loops. For computing pairwise distances in a 10-dimensional space, broadcasting achieves a 60 times speedup by utilizing vectorized C operations. With single instruction, multiple data instructions, this advantage extends to over 100 times. Beyond speed, broadcasting enhances code maintainability and clarity by reducing explicit indexing. Value error occurs when shapes like 3,4 and 3,5 can't be broadcasted. Verify shapes with .shape and use reshaping or slicing for compatibility. Unexpected output shapes arise from incorrect broadcasting rules application. Trace rules carefully, using explicit axis parameters. Memory explosion happens with large intermediate results. Profile memory with sys, get size of, and consider chunking or alternatives. Debugging broadcasting issues requires a systematic approach. Start by printing array shapes to identify compatibility problems. Use np.broadcastArrays to visualize how arrays will broadcast. Test with small arrays to simplify inspection. When uncertain, reshape explicitly using a reshape 1, 1, or a nep.newAxis to ensure clarity and prevent unexpected results. Advanced techniques like np.newAxis and emp.expandDims allow precise control over array shapes. emp.newAxis adds a dimension of size 1, transforming a 1D array into a row or column vector. emp.expandDims offers explicit dimension manipulation, crucial for complex broadcasting in neural networks and tensor operations, ensuring efficient computation and memory usage. In neural networks, broadcasting is crucial for efficient bias addition in dense layers. For a batch size of 128, input features of 784, and output features of 256, broadcasting allows the bias vector to seamlessly add across the batch. Similarly, batch normalization uses broadcasting for per-feature statistics, ensuring efficient layer normalization without redundant memory usage. Write self-documenting code by using explicit reshaping and comments for complex broadcasts. Profile performance with tools like %timeit to identify bottlenecks. Validate shapes early with assertions to catch errors quickly. Document expected input-output shapes in docstrings. Be mindful of memory usage, opting for numpy.einsum or chunking for large datasets. Prefer explicit axis parameters in reduction operations for clarity. Broadcasting excels in simple element-wise operations, like adding arrays of compatible shapes or scaling by vectors. Its syntax is intuitive, aligning with mathematical notation. However, for complex tensor contractions or custom reduction patterns, numpy.einsum offers precise memory control. While broadcasting suits most data science tasks, einsum is ideal for specialized operations requiring explicit summation control. Broadcasting in NumPy is memory efficient, avoiding array copies. It enhances CPU cache utilization, outperforming loops. NumPy releases Python's global interpreter lock, allowing parallelism. Optimize by using in-place operations like +aux, ensuring arrays are C-contiguous with np.sContiguousArray, and avoiding unnecessary copies. Process data in chunks for balanced memory and cache efficiency. Implementing the softmax function with broadcasting involves 3 key steps. First, subtract the maximum value from each row of logits for numerical stability. Next, apply the exponential function element-wise. Finally, normalize by dividing each row by its sum, ensuring the probabilities sum to 1. This approach efficiently handles the batch dimension. The softmax function implementation involves 3 key steps. First, subtract the maximum value in each row for numerical stability, using broadcasting to maintain shape. Next, compute the exponentials of the shifted values. Finally, normalize by dividing each row by its sum, again leveraging broadcasting. This ensures probabilities sum to 1, crucial for classification tasks. Broadcasting in NumPy eliminates explicit loops, enhancing speed by 50-100 times and improving code maintainability. Mastering dimension padding, size compatibility, and virtual stretching is crucial for predicting behavior and debugging. Broadcasting's stride manipulation ensures memory efficiency, vital for neural networks and data science. Always verify array shapes to prevent errors and clarify intent.